amigos, and welcome back to my channel.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
So I got this parcel, and this is a cute package. It's got like their toothbrush and their floss and their toothpaste. Very cute, very cute. Shall we open this? Now let's pair this toothbrush to the app. So I'm on the app. This says you're in. Now let's pair your brush. Start pairing. Press the Q button. So I'm gonna press it. Repeat every AM and PM. And 9 points for rewards. Connect Apple Health. What do you want to name your brush? Then I'm gonna do Chica. It's like the sound while you brush your teeth. Looks like your brush needs brush on and then off again by pressing the power. Go to home screen. Chica. And your phone. So I see the rewards, content, how to keep your brush healthy. Okay, let's try brushing teeth with the Quip. No, actually, with Chica. Chica, let's go. So I'm going to put some water here. Then this is a toothpaste that they gave me. I'm gonna open this. Let's try putting a little bit. This much. Okay, that was 2 minutes. Okay guys, so I tried the toothbrush. I really like it. I think it's very soft. I really like the fact that it pauses after 30 seconds so that you switch to different side. So yeah, I think it's a really good idea. With the reward, it would definitely motivate me to brush my teeth, more than two minutes, and every day in the morning and at night. Overall, I think it's really good. I kind of like the fact that I could do the refill. I think every 3 months I don't have to worry about it now because they are going to give me the head. So yeah, also I don't need to worry about ordering the battery comes toothpaste. For the first time buyer, it's going to be free for those 3 refills with the codes that I had like a promo code. So yeah, you can definitely try out. I think it's really worth it if you are thinking you need a new toothbrush, just rather than buying a regular one. I think it's kind of nice to try a new one. And also I like the fact that it's really light and design simple and very cute. I think it was really cute. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. And I heard about the app. It has a lot of bugs and it's only for the iOS. So if you have Android, I don't think you can use the app. I think I'm going to end my video here, and I liked it. It was fun trying new product. I will see you in my next video. Ciao ciao. Chika chika. I actually have this old toothbrush. This is a Oral-B, but it's very old and I think it's time for this one to go bye-bye. Bye.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.